Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. So as you can see, I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, we'll want to hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. And once you see the OPPO logo, let go of the power key but keep holding volume down. Now you can let go of it at one point and it should boot you into the recovery mode. As you can see, I did it like literally before it did boot into it, but you can let go a little bit before that. So anyway, from here simply tap on a language that you want to use and then select wipe data and then format data. Now as you can see, we have wipe data and format data, but for some odd reason wipe data does things like retaining contacts, messages and photos, making the statement to be false. It doesn't wipe data. Contacts, messages and photos are part of the data and it doesn't wipe it. So if you want to remove basically everything from your device so it's completely clean, make sure you select format data instead. Now as you can see, it gives us a verification code, so you simply need to put in the code that appears right here, and every time you access this it will be different. So if I leave it, tap on it again, as you can see, it is now different. So anyway, for me right now it's 8398. There we go, and then select format, and this will begin the process. Now it's gonna finish up fairly quickly here, at which point it's gonna give us a pop-up that it's finished. There we go. Click on OK, and this will initiate a reboot and continue the process in the background. So let's give it a couple minutes for it to finish up, and once it is, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.